Today I would like to show you how to do leaning purl decreases. These are decreases worked on the reverse stocking stitch side of your knitting. The effect on your purl stitches is just a series of bumps, just any other purl decrease. The effect, however, on the knit side is what you would expect to see from knit two together and slip slip knit. So we've worked the purl two together through back of loop on this side and the purl two together on this side. The way I remember when to work which one is where you would usually work your knit two together, that's where you're going to work your purl two together, and where you would usually work your slip slip knit or knit two together through back of loop, that's when you're going to use your purl two together through back of loop. I've worked a few rows of stocking stitch and doing the purl decreases only on the purl side. I've not done any slip slip knit or knit two togethers on the knit side. I'm now ready to work a wrong side row or a purl row. I've got two edge stitches, so I'm just going to purl two to begin with. And to purl two together, or to get that nice right leaning decrease, it's very simple. Put your working needle through the front of both of these stitches, yarn around and pull through and pop them off. Now to work to the last four stitches. Purl two together through back of loop is a bit more fiddly than purl two together, but it gives a really nice finish. First of all, we need to twist these two stitches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip the first one as if I was to knit it, and slip the second one as if to knit it. Now pop both of these back onto the left hand needle without untwisting the stitches. This is the fiddly part. We need to take our working needle around the back of our work, and we're putting it through the second stitch first and then the first stitch. So you take it through there. Do take time to practice getting it through, sometimes the yarn can split a bit. And then just yarn around, pull through and pop your stitches off. And then purl the last two edge stitches. So this results in a nice neat decrease where the purl two together through back of loop results in the right hand stitch sitting over the left hand stitch, and the purl two together results in the left hand stitch sitting over the right hand stitch. So you've got a left leaning and a right leaning decrease. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye!